Today I'm going to show you how I use spray foam in my silk floral arrangements. So step one, just get a gaps and cracks or great stuff gaps and cracks. It does not have to be this particular brand. There are lots of brands. Walmart has one. You can get them on Amazon. But I just get a can of this gaps and cracks. Make sure you give it a good shake. Now, some cans are reusable. This one is not. So what I will do is I will get all the containers ready that I want to spray foam so that I can just use this whole can all at once. Okay. So step two, just put the little nozzle on. Super easy. You just twist it on there. And then now we are ready to spray. Now, please keep in mind, this will expand. This is going to grow. So you do not need to go all the way to the ends, and you do not need to go all the way to the top. This is probably about halfway. Okay, and then I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to let it cure for a couple days. I'm going to go to my next container. And again, that is going to expand. Get it just a little bit more. I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to go to my next one. I'm just doing the same thing. And after it expands, if it ends up going above your container, you can just get a little butter knife, or, I have this little handsaw, and just slice it off and get it to where you want it. Okay, I'm going into my next container. Okay, and again, I'm not going all the way to the top with that. And just like that. Now, I would let it set a couple days before you use it, because you will think it is dry, and then a couple days later, you'll have sprouts coming up. So just let them sit for a couple days, and then you'll be ready to go.